learning the plot, learning the plot. Guesswork grower, guesswork grower, one success at a time. Learning the plot, learning the plot, one success at a time.
So, I'm not too sure what anything is, but Leanne, she told me that these are leeks, Ted. Here, didn't she? Do you remember that?
Yeah.
These are leeks, and apparently these are ready to pull up.
Can I?
Well, we're not going to do it today, because what we'll do is we'll come up on Saturday and we'll have a proper good go at it.
Okay.
So, these are leeks as well. It looks like there's quite a few of them that are ready to go. And she said these were foxgloves, which are just flowers. So,
But they're like poisonous,
yes, they are actually.
so we don't want to touch them.
These here are potatoes.
Can you pull them?
Apparently they'll be ready for pulling up as well. She said not to leave them in the ground for too long because they can rot. Remember when she said that? No, we'll do it Saturday. We'll come up and have a good go on.
Today.
It's Wednesday today. We'll come up on Saturday. Let me show you the shed. Okay, so we've got the shed here.
The shed.
At the moment, there's just a couple of bricks
Ooh,
holding it in place because this door needs to be repaired.
It's coming off.
It's coming off a bit, yeah. So there's a little bit of fixing to do.
I'll hold it. This is the shed. It's very echoey. Echoey! And very dark.
I get a feeling there might be some mice in there as well. So this door obviously needs a bit of repairing. What's that? Stop it. So that'll be a job for Saturday as well,
Yay!
if we've got time.
Repairing it.
Yeah, so at the moment we just got these bricks
Yeah.
to keep the door shut.
Yeah.
Over here we've got some raised beds. I'm guessing that it's going to be for like strawberries.
Is that cage?
Oh yeah, we'll show you inside the cage in a minute, okay? But these are going to be like for, yeah, it's nice. These are going to be for like strawberries and stuff, Ted.
Ooh.
And whatever else you put in raised beds, I don't know. Come down here, look, Ted.
Okay.
Here we have kale. This is kale. So there's plenty of kale. Got some more raised beds here. Your strawberries and stuff. And here where Esther is, look at Esther in the cage. Probably the best place for her. This is where all the fruit grows.
Ah, it's very windy.
So we got some rhubarb here, look.
Ooh.
That'll be nice. So in here,
Let's go through the cage.
come on in. I'm not too sure what these are.
They look
Did
like
say.
stinging nettles.
Yeah, I don't think they're stinging it. She did say what they were. I think these over here are gooseberries.
Gooseberries.
Yeah, and we got some growing there, look, but they're
Oh,
not
yeah.
not ready to pick yet. I think she said there's black currants and blueberries as well. I think she said.
Blueberries.
So yeah, blueberries or something like that. So we have to come in here and have a good look
Those
around. I think that's more gooseberries that you're looking at there.
Oh,
So you have to come around and have a good look.
yeah.
Where'd you get that chair from, Esther? That's it. And we got more foxgloves in here that we need to pull up. Look, Ted.
Ah,
We have to pull these up.
just in case we touch some.
Yeah, well, yeah, but we don't really want them in the fruit cage either. And we have got some stinging nettles there as well, so we'll have to bring some gloves up when we
Oh.
come up. When we come up on Saturday, I think the first thing we should doing is you hang on there a minute, Ted. Stay there.
Minty.
Is I think you should just clear all this. Get these leeks pulled up. Just stay there a minute. Get all these leeks pulled up. Get all this part looking like that, really. Like that man's allotment.
What, this one? Over there?
So, yeah, so we won't get rid of everything, but we'll get rid of the stuff that we don't want. You're right. So we'll get all this cleared up. Deanne put this matting down to stop the weeds from growing up. So
What's under that?
it's just more of the same, really. Grass and weeds. We seen a mouse up here the other day, didn't we, Esther?
Where?
Well, it was up around there somewhere. But see, Granny's got a rotavator. I wonder if she'll.
What's Granny?
It's for making the soil look like that, basically.
Wow.
But yeah, we've got to get all the weeds up.
I can help.
We certainly can.
I'll put them up now.
I'm not too sure what this is. Is that rhubarb as well? I don't know.
That was a rhubarb.
It's not rhubarb, what is it? Do you know? What we'll do is come round in a minute and we'll take some photos of everything and we'll try and find out what it is when we get home. And then we'll decide what we want to keep, what we want to get rid of. It's insects in it. Yeah. Should we have a look around the rest of the allotment? Spin the bumblebee. Esther, show Ted where we get the water from. Can you remember? So what's this for, Esther?
Water.
Well, there might be some sun one day. So, we've had a look around, we've taken photos of what's here. We're going to go back home, find out what everything is, work out what we want to keep, work out what we want to get rid of, and work out what we want to take up and keep.
Yeah.
What's ready to keep, what's ready to harvest, basically. And then what we're going to do is start getting the, what do they call it? Rotavating.
Yeah.
And see if we can borrow Granny's rotavator, shall we?
Yeah. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos coming from us.